Hey guys, we just got this shipped in today, so let's just open it up. Let's take a look at what's inside. And here we go. Alright, so we just got this delivered. Now this is perfect if you guys have something like a MacBook Air. Now this is a USB 3.1. Now on the back of the box, it does tell you a little bit more information. Plus we get this huge paper with a bit more information as well. Anyways, here it is. So this is perfect, again, like I mentioned, if you guys have a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, this is the type of hub that would work perfect for it, since we don't have that many inputs. So this is exactly what we need in order to plug in, like say, an external hard drive, USB drive onto your MacBook. This is the type of adapter you would need, because right here we have this is USB-C, so let it go right in there. Obviously this is not just for MacBooks, this is also for PCs. Depending on your connections, you might need this. I can tell you it's pretty lightweight, it's not that big, it won't take up that much space. Now here's a good close-up, and like I mentioned, it will fit right here on a Mac. For example, they only have these two ports, and that's why we need these type of hubs. So that would go right in here, for example, and it's gonna fit nice and snug. It's just USB-C, it's pretty simple. We should see this light up like so. And right now we can plug anything to it. And it is USB 3.0, which is exactly what we need. Anyways, this was just a really simple unboxing so you guys can get a glance at what this looks like. I can tell you it's pretty light. When you compare this with the size of a new iPhone 12, for example, an iPhone 12 will be up to here, maybe up to there. So it's slightly smaller and maybe twice the thickness of an iPhone 12. So around there. So if you guys have any idea about iPhone sizes, it'll be around twice the thickness of your iPhone. Even if you guys have an iPhone 8 or older version, this is maybe twice the thickness, and it won't be as big as your iPhone. As far as unboxings goes, this is it for this unboxing. It's really simple unboxing. There's nothing else in the box, so there's nothing more to show you. It's a very simple USB hub, and for sure it's a must-have. But hey, if you're wondering about the review and how long these guys last, just make sure to watch that video where I review hubs and everything else. But that would be it for this specific video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.